Alright, so real quick, again, today is July 27th, 2023. So on the 5 minute, obviously I took 2 L's, but on the 15 minute, um, we were pretty much bullish, obviously until price proved us wrong. So what happened was I saw these highs right here, relatively equal highs, had not been liquidated. This high at least hadn't been liquidated yet. And we had this volume imbalance right here, which is basically where no trades had taken place right there. So my thing was, okay, so there's a thing right here. There's a Fairly gap right there. So I think price is gonna rail through that and take out the high and tap into the volume imbalance or the liquidity void, whatever you want to call it. So I got in right there. I didn't wait for a market structure shift or anything. I just got in because I was confident in it. I think that's one thing that I learned today. I need to wait for market structure shifts, especially if I'm taking trades on the 5 minute, because the 1 minute tells you everything you need to know. And I obviously didn't wait, so that's a thing. So I entered right there. I put my stop right here. This looks like one of those demand setups that I used to take when I traded supply and demand, where I tapped into the zone right here, this demand zone. I got in at the break of the candle, and I put my stop loss below the candle or the zone. It reminded me of that, but that's just kind of funny how things circle around. But anyways, a loss is a loss. I still took the loss right there. And then right here, my next trade, this 4 hour, man, it looked so beautiful. If you saw it live, this shit rejected so beautifully off of the zone. It looked like it was gonna keep going up. And on the 1 minute, it had rallied right here. I didn't take this for value yet because I didn't see a market structure shift. Classic me. And then so I saw it run up like that, and I took my fib for the discount, whatever. And then I saw that there was a fair value gap right here on the 5 minute. So I aggressively took that there. Again, I didn't wait for a market structure shift, which is kind of like what's killing me right now. So I definitely have to work on that. But anyways, I got in right there. Price played around for like 3 minutes and then absolutely railed my stop loss. And as you can see, price is probably going to continue going up. But this is just a result of me being impatient, I guess. Also, we were about to hit 11 o'clock, and I wanted to get a trade in before 11, so that was kind of unfortunate of me. Another thing is, I definitely learned today that I need to wait for a market structure shift. So if there's anything you learn from this video, it should be wait for market structure shift if taking off of 5 minute or 15 minute fair value gaps or gaps in general. I'm gonna just say gaps. Okay, if there's something you learn, it has to be this. This is something I'm still working on, so leave me the fuck alone. All right. But yeah, man, this is I thought these were two good trades, but obviously market proved me wrong. And if we look in hindsight, obviously this was a market structure shift right here, and on the 5 minute you can also see there was a gap right there. But my drawn liquidity was up here, so that's why the sell was not valid to me. Obviously I would have seen that sell if I wasn't so bullish because of this high, honestly. So you gotta, there's some shit that you gotta earn your stripes in these markets, and that's what I'm doing right now and on camera. So, but yeah, that was today's trades. I hope you learned something out of it. I'm gonna real quick show the MT4 from today. So I lost 2% again. It's not something I'm tripping about. Here's the account balance right here. Right here, it's at 46,400. I started with 50,600. So obviously I've taken quite a bit of losses, but that's what we're here for, man. So yeah, that was today's trades, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.